In this video, we will discuss about flower of Justicia brandegeeana. Justicia brandegeeana is also known as shrimp plant. This belongs to family Acanthaceae and this is a native of Mexico. So this is also called as Mexico shrimp plant. If we see the plant, we can see here this this part of the plant is looking like a shrimp. This is also bearing the flowers. These are the flowers. Here we can see the flower. This is flower and these are red colored brackets, salmon red colored bracket. So this is called as shrimp because this looks like shrimp. And this plant is growing in the form of a bush. So this is also called as shrub because this remain green throughout the year. So this is called as evergreen shrub. Now we can see here. So these are shrimp-like areas present on the plant. And these are its leaves which remain green throughout the year. So this is evergreen shrub. So it blooms and look like shrimps in shape and color as we have seen. And its flowers, they are held within the brackets. So these are red colored brackets and these are its flowers which are coming out. Flowers can be creamish, they can be whitish, and we can see in the picture this is creamish pinkish in color. So colored brackets are there which will attract the insects also. Now if we see the detail of the flower of Justicia brandegeeana, we see its inflorescence, how the flower is present. This is present singly in the axile of the brackets. So this is called as solitary. So this is the flower. This is also flower. So this is arising singly in the axile of the brackets. So this is solitary. Now flower cannot be cut into equal halves by more than one plane. Like if we cut the flower, like the two halves are equal. But if we cut like this or this or this, all halves will not be equal. So such flowers, they are called as zygomorphic. So its flower is zygomorphic because both the sexes, male as well as female, androecium and gynoecium is present. So this is bisexual. Now if we dissect the flower and see, this part is called as calyx, which is outermost whorl, light green in color. So number of the calyx is 5 and they are free, they are not fused with each other. So condition is polysepalous. Now if we see its corolla, it has two lips. We can see here, this is its corolla. And it has two lips, one lip is here and second lip is here, and total number of petal is 5 and they are fused in two groups forming two lips. So this is bilabiate. Now if we see its stamens, stamens are again 4 in number and they are fused in group of 2 each. So there are two groups of stamens. So this is called as didynamous condition. And stamens, they are also attached with the petals. We can see in this figure. So this is called as epipetalos. Stamens are attached and this part is the anther part. So stamens, they are, or androecium, it has 4 stamen which are present in 2 sets. So condition is didynamous because they are fused with the petals. So this is called as epipetalos. We can see here. This part is filament and this part is the anther and this is the petal to which these stamens, they are attached. So this is epipetalos condition. Now if we see its gynoecium, so this is differentiated into ovary, style and stigma. So we can see here this part is ovary, this is the style, and here it will be stigma. And we can see nectaries also, and this is the disc present below the ovary. Disc is called as honey disc, which will attract the insect, and nectary को खाने के लिए insects can visit and they are attracted by the red colored bracket and they will enter into the flower. Two carpels are there but they are fused, so this condition is called as syncarpous. If we cut the section of the ovary, see the arrangement of the ovules on the placenta. So placentation is axile and its style is simple and linear. We can see here, this is the style which is simple, linear, and this part is the stigma which is also simple in nature. And some hair like outgrowths are present on the style. We can see here, hair like outgrowths are present, white hair are present. So style is simple and linear. Honey disc is present below the ovary like we have earlier discussed, this disc. So pollination, because red colored flowers will attract the insect. Then we can see the beautiful marking inside the petal. So these will also attract the insect. Insects will come and eat on the nectaries for nectar. So they are attracted by the color and they will eat on the nectar for nectar. Nectar is on for nectar. So this is called as entomophily. When pollination is by means of insect, this is called as entomophily. So this is all about flower of Justicia. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching it.